Let's make some shortbread cookies for the holidays. I've got 1 cup of salted butter. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of icing sugar. This is also called confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar. There we go. I'm going to grab my mixer and I'm just going to start creaming this together. Okay, that's perfect. So I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour here, and I'm just going to sift that in as well. And there we go. And then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Grab my mixer one last time and we're going to start incorporating this. Okay, that's perfect. I haven't even mixed that for a minute and you can see that it's really, really nice now. When I grab it together like this, you can see how well this is coming together. Really, really nice like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to split this into 2 discs. I'll just separate that into 2 discs. So when you do make your discs, get them on your plastic wrap, and you really do want to try to squish them down because they chill more evenly this way, and it's just a lot easier to roll out. You know, if you have a ball and you try to roll out that ball, it just doesn't work very well. So just get it in there, flatten it down as much as you can, and then that one's ready for the fridge. So I'm going to chill both of these down and I'll be back about an hour later. So my nice dough has been chilling for a good hour. We'll get a little bit of flour down. And then I'm going to roll this out. You can use any cookie cutter that you like. I'm going to be using a star, and I'm just going to cut out a few stars. And I do have a tray ready to go right here, and I'm just going to get these right onto the tray. I think what I'll do is I'll just move this over so that everybody can see a little bit better. And you can make your cookies as thick or as thin as you wish. Oh, those are going to be really, really nice. And when you are cutting your cookies, try to cut as close to the other ones as possible so that you maximize, your surface area of your dough. The more you get out in one shot, that means less rolling is required. So I am going to re-roll, so I'll get this all rolled out and I'll be back in a second. Okay, that's good. Ready to go again. We'll get a few more done. And I do have my oven preheating right now, 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect. And then just before they go into the oven, I'm just going to put some little cherries on the top. So I've just cut up some cherries and I'm ready to go. So I've taken my cherries and cut them in half. Now what you can do is take your finger and just depress right in the middle where your cherry is going to go. So a little bit of a push. This is optional, you don't have to do it. But it just allows a little area for your cherry to sit in. Perfect. And then just grab your little cherry and just set it on top. And our last one. And those are ready for our 300 degree Fahrenheit oven. So I'm going to pop these in the oven. I'll come back, I'll tell you exactly how long I baked them when I get back. They baked for exactly 20 minutes in my 300 degree Fahrenheit oven. So I've got a nice little plate here. So we can just take these off our little silpat, which is this little silicone liner. If you don't have that, you can use parchment paper, or you can just bake them directly on your cooking sheet. But these here, really, really, really delicious. I hope you try this recipe out. So I'll try one of these out. Look at that. Oh, really, really good. I love shortbread. So we've come to the end of another recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.
And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.